It all began in 1994, in the heart of Sweden's forest industry. Big machines needed big solutions, and JLT Mobile was ready to deliver, with one mission: to push boundaries. And push we did. Our first mission? Build a computer tough enough to withstand the brutal, unforgiving conditions of forestry. And guess what? We didn't just survive it, we crushed it. That was just the beginning. Over the past 30 years, we've transformed industries, building technology that's as tough as the environments it thrives in. From agriculture to fields, manufacturing, and transportation to warehouses, we've got you covered. Our rugged computers don't just survive, they thrive. Every solution we create is built hand in hand with our customers and partners. We've grown together, solving real-world problems with cutting-edge technology. And in the warehouses across the globe, we're making sure everything runs faster, smoother, and smarter. Whether it's processing data or lifting your logistics game, JLT's got your back. We're not stopping here. From artificial intelligence to IoT, we're working on the future of high-performance computing, hand in hand with partners and customers. With JLT, we're not just in business. We're in the business of relationships. What really empowers JLT? It's working side by side with you to create custom solutions that give you the competitive edge you need. It's our partnership with you, customers, partners, innovators. We've grown together for 3 decades. As we look to the future, we're not slowing down. Here's to 30 years of pushing limits, solving problems, and creating something amazing together. And trust us, we're just getting started. Thank you to our customers and partners for 30 incredible years.